The reason why we're packing is because we have a flight in like, how long? In like a couple hours. So we just gotta get our bags ready. I'm going to Seattle. Here's our ride. Gotta keep going. Alright.
Let's make this last forever.
Big. I think how's it going, man?
Oh shit! I didn't realize you came.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Going to Seattle?
It's right here.
Oh yeah.
We about to go to Seattle.
What's up? Oh, is that Kyle or Max? Alright, I see you guys there. Oh, P-Bro. Is that P-Bro part 2? P-Bro. Oh, you boy look good. Screen's fucked up.
Should have printed it out.
Like that. Okay.
The only one you have?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead and mine and try to see if they can scan it with their scan.
Okay.
If she puts up a corner pass and she doesn't. Hey,
I barely made it past TSA. I got stopped like 3 times. Man, cause I'm black, man. Cause I'm black. I'm a hood nigga out here. You get wrapped up and stuff, bro. I'm tired of that, bro. For real.
Gate 67. It has moved to gate number 67.
Bro, we're trying to leave LA. We're trying to leave Cali. You feel me? We're trying to leave Cali. And we're trying to go to a different world. Up in Seattle. Why are we still here? First side row is so deep. Look at us. Look at that. I also have his ticket.
oh, you do? Okay. Nice enough to let you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
He
Actually,
could, yeah. See, he could totally just run and you'd never get on.
essay for the past 2 hours. Wow. We made it to. We out here in Seattle. We out here in Seattle.
Yeah.
But we have to wait in this like treacherous snow. It's not that cold. It's pretty cold though, right? Yeah, but we have to wait like 20 minutes, man. I got so used to that. All over again. Help me?
Just kidding. There's a lot of food.
You know
trucks
us,
here,
bro.
actually.
You know me.
Chicken tenders.
You know me.
Alright, let's go.
We're trying to find a place to eat. We don't know what to do. Our conference starts at like 9 o'clock at night, so we're just chilling, trying to get some food. Never been to Seattle, but looks pretty dope so far. Let's go. Where are we going, you?
We were gonna meet up with the Kais, but I think they already left. So
Oh, so we're going to explore
by ourselves.
it's our ride right here. Hey, the minivan.
It's okay. I'm supposed to wake up 6. It's okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Asahi.
black garlic.
Arashi. My bad. But I never ate ramen before, so today's gonna be the first. I'll give you a first-hand taste. I always want to eat ramen, like legit ramen, like I want some Naruto ramen. It looks good. First. I feel like Naruto, bro. I feel like Naruto.
You don't slurp, you're not eating it right.
Oh, wait, what is it called? Ichirukas?
Yeah, Ichiruka, bro. Ichiruka. Hold on. Let me just take one.
How do you spell that?
I have no idea.
Bite it. Oh, baby.
Naruto. Alright. This dude said this is alive.
It's alive.
I gotta try this. This is some octopus.
And you're like, where's the Starbucks?
Well, that was some awesome food. First time eating ramen. First time eating octopus. Seattle has been fun. Well, me and my PBros are gonna go and go to this like dance party thing. So, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later.
Real friends, how many of us